Cheese is a big part of all of our lives. It's really exciting to see all these people in the cheese world together. Counterculture events, they're really very special within our industry.
The social aspect of it, it's a truly extraordinary group of people. There's this deep knowledge base here, but people are really friendly, welcoming, and it embodies that spirit of cheese.
To me, the networking part is incredible. I see people coming here, leaving their shops for a day and going home really inspired.
There's a lot of cool personalities here, learning a lot about the cheese.
I just had a Stilton that blew my mind.
Oh, the cheese is so good.
It's just a super exciting, fun time.
There's people from all ages, all places, all geographies, and they all share one thing: how much they love cheese. And it brings us together.
This is Counterculture.